Having trouble connecting to Minecraft realms? Let me walk you through some quick fixes. First, always start with the basics. Check your internet, run a speed test, and make sure your ping isn't too high. If you're on Wi-Fi, try moving closer to the router or switch to an Ethernet cable for more stable connection. Next, check for the Minecraft server status online. Sometimes realms are down globally, and the issue isn't on your end. If the servers are fine, go back to your game and log out of your Microsoft account, then log back in. This refreshes your authentication and often fixes the connection error. Another fix is to toggle your DNS. Go into your PC or console network settings and switch to something like Google DNS. This usually speeds up and stabilizes connection to game servers. If you're still stuck, try disabling any VPN or firewall that might be blocking Minecraft. Sometimes security software interferes with realms. And finally, make sure your game and launcher are fully updated. Outdated versions can cause sync problems with realms. Follow these steps and in most cases you'll be back in your realm without issues. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.